Hi students, this is Chandrakant Tarakeri, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce. My dear students, hope all are you fine. So in today's class we are discussing a subject called Modern Banking for PBA third semester. As per the Akamadevi Women's University Vijaypura. So the course name is Modern Banking and the model 1 is Banking in India. So dear students, let us see what in this model the contents includes. Meaning of bank, concept, functions and types of banking. This is the contents of the first unit. So my dear students, you may be aware, everybody is aware of what is the bank, but we have to study. This subject is introduced by the university to know the banking functions, how the banking is working in the world. So what type of banks are there and how they are working in the country. So because of that, because the bank is very much necessary in the life of the people, so that's why the university has introduced this subject to the BBA third semester. So what are the learning objectives? The students will understand banking system in India, and the session outcomes is introduction, meaning of bank, features of bank. So what is bank? My dear students, what is the bank? B means business, A means accepting the deposit, N means negotiation, then K means keeping confidential of the customer's account. So my dear students, you are aware, every bank have a business purpose. The business purpose means they want to earn some profit on deposits. They are accepting the deposit from the customers. My dear students, you also putting some amount, your parents also putting some amount in bank. They are depositing there in SP account, or it may be a fixed deposits. So many deposits will be there. That we will discuss in a later class, my dear students. Then negotiation, vargavane. Then accepting deposit. They are accepting the deposit. Then keeping confidence of the customer's account. It's the responsibility of the bank. They will not disclose their customers' account to other people. ಈಗ ನಾ ಹೋಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ನವರು ನಮಗೆ ಹೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಡಿಪಾಸಿಟ್, ದೆನ್ ನೆಗೋಷಿಯೇಷನ್, ದೆನ್ ಕೀಪಿಂಗ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್. Then origin of bank. The word bank is derived from the Italian word banco, the French word bank, the Latin word bancus, which means a bench or desk. ಇದು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಶಬ್ದ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂತು? ಇಟಾಲಿಯನ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಆದಂಥ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕೋದಿಂದ ಬಂತು, ಮತ್ತು ಫ್ರೆಂಚ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಯೂ, ದೆನ್ ಲ್ಯಾಟಿನ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಆದಂಥ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಸ್ದಿಂದ ಬಂತು. ಇದ್ರ ಮೀನಿಂಗು ಡೆಸ್ಕ್. ಓಕೆ, table shows development of banking in India. My dear students, first bank, Bank of Hindustan, year of establishment 1830. Adar nantara Bank of Bengal 1839, Bank of Bombay 1840, Bank of Madras 1843, then 1869 Oudh Commercial Bank, 1895 Punjab National Bank, 906 Bank of India, 908 Bank of Baroda, 911 Central Bank of India, 1913 People Bank of India, 1921 Imperial Bank of India, now SBI will call, then 1934 Reserve Bank of India. That is 1935 the Reserve Bank actually work started. Then meaning of the bank and banker. Bank is a firm which performs the banking business. Bank is a firm which performs the banking business. ಯಾರು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. The word banker is applicable to individual who performs the banking business, who is working in the bank, who is performing the banking business. We will call that person as a banker. So, bank is a firm which performs the banking business. The word banker is applicable to individual who performs the banking business. So, we will see some definition of the bank. Section 5 of the Banking Regulation Act 1949. Banking means accepting money for the purpose of lending. So, once they are accepting the deposit from the customer, they are lending the same to the other customers. Or investment of deposits of money from the public, repayable on demand or otherwise, and withdrawal by the checks, drafts, orders or otherwise. Here in this definition there is an elaboration of the meaning of the bank. So, banking means accepting money. They are accepting deposits from the customer. Then what is the purpose of accepting the money? Only they are depositing in their bank, but they are not giving that as a loan to others. Then the earning will not be there. On our deposit we expect some interest. So, to give that interest they have to lend that money to the public. And investing of the money from the public, repayable. Whenever you require the money, the bank is paying back to you. Whenever you require the money, the bank will repay to you. So, this is the elaborated definition of the bank. Then what are the features of banking? So, dealing in money. Banking activities means they are dealing in the money. They are accepting, they are lending, they are giving the loan. So, whatever activity is there, that is in money only. Then dealing with credit. So, they are udri, credit andra udri. They are giving the loan on the basis of credit basis. So, whatever amount was deposited to the bank, on that basis, if anybody required the money, they are giving as a loan on credit basis. So, on monthly basis, the person who has taken the loan has to give back to the bank. Then commercial in nature. They are not working as a trust. Their purpose is commercial. They want to earn some money which they have given as a loan, or they are invested in some companies. So, the bank is in commercial in nature. They will not do any work on free of cost. ಫ್ರೀಯಾಗಿ ಅವರು ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾದಂಥ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಕಮರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಮೈಂಡ್. ದೇ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಕಮರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಟು ಅರ್ನ್ ಸಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆನ್ ದೇರ್ money which they have given to other people. Then nature of agent. Their work is like agent. ಏಜೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ? ಇಬ್ಬರದು ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡೋದು. ಆಸ್ ಎ ಏಜೆಂಟ್ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಬಯರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೆಲ್ಲರ್ನ ಕೂಡಿಸ್ತಾನೆ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಾವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಏಜೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ದೇ ಆರ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಿಂಗ್ ಸಮ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮನಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ customers. Then the same money is giving to other people as a agent. He is not having his own money. He is bringing who having more money, they are depositing to the bank, and who having less money or who want to do the business, who require the money, then they will take the loan from the bank. So it is the bank activity is like in the nature of agent. Then deposit must be withdrawal. My dear students, whenever you deposit money to the bank, whenever you require, you can withdraw that money. So all depositors, it may be a fixed deposit, it may be a saving bank, it may be a current account. So in the whatever form they have deposited the amount in the bank. So whenever the customer is required, that amount can be withdrawal from the bank. Then we will see now the meaning of modern banking. So modern banking is nothing but speedy in services using all the new devices. My dear students, you may be aware now everywhere the technology is there. Everybody is using the technology. For example, after COVID-19, you are also using the technology to teach you, and you are also using your mobile to get the knowledge and see the online classes and attend the online classes and get the knowledge from the subjects. So here in modern banking also the technology was introduced. So it is the new devices. Under modern banking, new technology, e-banking has come. ATM facilities will be there. Telebanking are used for performing the functions. So to do the modern banking activity, these are the technology was used. E-banking, ATM, telebanking are used for performing the functions. So this is the modern banking concept. So this is the picture. Then commercial bank. So all banks are commercial only. They are earning the profit. They want to earn the profit. That is the main motto of the banking. Commercial banks are the financial institutions which accept deposits from the public in the form of against which checks must be drawn, current deposits, fixed deposits, saving bank accounts, and the same amount is mainly lent to commerce, industry and trade. So in whatever form the banks are accepting the deposit from the customer, that same has to be lent to for the purpose of commerce, industry and trade. ಸೊ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡೋರಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಸೇವಿಂಗ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ, ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ, ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಅವ್ರ ಡಿಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಅವರು ಲೋನದ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್, ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಮತ್ತು ಟ್ರೇಡ್ಗೆ ಅವರು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಕಮರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. As they finance mainly on commerce, they are commercial banks. They are called as a commercial banks. So the commercial bank is mainly to provide the loan to the business. ಯಾರು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ಲೋನನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಕಮರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಕಮರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ರೀತಿಯಾದಂಥದ್ದು ಬರ್ತವೆ. ಒಂದು ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್, ದೋಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೂಸ್ ಪೇಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಎಕ್ಸೀಡ್ ₹5 lakh ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್. ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಯಾವ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು, ಯಾವುದು ರಿಸರ್ವ್ಸು ಮತ್ತು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್, ಪೇಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 5 lakh ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ದೆನ್ ನಾನ್ ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್, ದೋಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೂಸ್ ಪೇಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 5 lakh ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ನಾನ್ ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ನಾನ್ ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಮೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 5 lakh ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್, ಮೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 5 lakh ಪೇಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ನಾನ್ ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, this is the concept of banking and modern banking, and some we have seen the features of banking also in this session. So now we will have some more multiple choice questions, whether you are understood in a better way or not. So first question is, in bank N means what? Our option is normal, need, negotiation, none of the above. So the answer is negotiation. Next question, Banco is the word from Italian, French, Latin or Arabic? So it is Italian word. Banco is the word from Italian. Bank is a firm which performs the online trading or banking or none of the above business. So your answer is bank is a firm which performs the banking business. The Latin word bancus means a tree, chair, bench, none of the above. So the answer is bench. Reserve Bank of India is established in which year? 1930, 1935, 1940, 1945. Answer is 1935. Reserve Bank of India is established in 1935. So my dear students, in this class we have discussed meaning of bank, banker, features of banking. In next session we will have some more content we will discuss, that is functions of banking. So thank you, and thank you very much.